Dharasuram Iravateshwara Temple exterior courtyard. As you make your way to the temple compound, you must have noticed a striking detail about the design of the temple. The entire structure is built to resemble the form of a huge chariot pulled by horses used during the festivals and processions. This type of temple design is called Karakoil, which is one of the 9 types of Hindu temple structures. The facade of Irathaveshwara temple welcomes visitors to its ground with a 24-meter tall stone Viman. If you have seen Vimans of Chola temple at Gangaikonda Cholapuram and Tanjavur, the Viman here might seem comparatively small in size. History tells us the Cholas built hundreds of Hindu temples across their empire. Of these temples, 4 were vast complexes with stone Vimans. The Iravateshwara temple is one of these 4. The other 3 are the temples found in Tanjavur built by Rajaraj I, in Gangaikonda Cholapuram built by Rajendra I, and Tribhuvanam by the later era Chola king Kulotunga II. In keeping with traditional Tamil architecture, Iravateshwara temple also has a square plain structure that was completed in 1166 CE. As you walk around the temple compound, you can find the Nandi Mandap and the Stambh which have been erected in the temple courtyard. You can see that they are aligned with the main temple's east-west axis. The Nandi statue here is huge and sculpted majestically. Make your way to the southwest corner of the courtyard and you will find a mandap having 4 shrines. One of these shrines has an image of Yam, which is in reference to the story of Yam's healing within the temple. Adjoining this shrine, you can find large stone slabs that have been sculpted with images of Saptamathas, who are the 7 celestial nymphs. These celestial nymphs are believed to be personified powers of different devas. The Saptamathas are Brahmani, who emerged from Brahma, Vaishnavi from Vishnu, Maheshwari from Shiva, Indrani from Indra, Kumari from Skanda, Varahi from Varaha, Chamundi from Devi. The most fascinating structure in the temple courtyard is yet to come. Have you ever heard of stones making music? Well, today is your lucky day. Let's go and experience the legendary singing steps of Iravateshwara temple.